To purl two together, you're going to make sure that your yarn is at the front of the work. With the right hand needle, I'm going to go purlwise into 2 stitches on my left hand needle. So I've inserted my needle the same way I would for purl. I've just gone into 2 stitches. With my working yarn, I'm going to wrap my yarn purlwise around that right hand needle and then bring my new stitch up, complete the purl out of those 2, and then take those 2 stitches off of the left hand needle. So there we've turned 2 stitches into 1. I'll show you that again. I'm going to insert my right hand needle down 2 stitches on the left, wrap my yarn around purlwise, and then come through to complete the stitch. So there's my new purl stitch, and I've put 2 together. I can take them both off of the left hand needle now. And then these on the other side look like this, a combination of 2 columns into 1. Happy knitting!